really shitty day.
A lot of shitty days since we last talked, huh? Otto loses another eye, car bombs, assaulting Christians. I get the sense that you are losing control, Clay. Which might explain why Ethan Zabel is stealing your gun source. Zabel attacked Otto, planted the bomb, and he is now coming after your livelihood, Clay. He's unraveling the club. You can stop that from happening. Let me have the IRA. We've already sold you out, so you don't lose anything. And no guns means that Zabel and his Aryan crew have no reason to be in charming. Let me make this arrest go away, and everything returns to normal.
The IRA I work with is the one where counterfeits at tax time.
How are the hands? I watched my dad go through the same thing. Painful shit. How long do you think you have, Clay, huh? Well, I know the rules. Can't ride, can't lead.
I like your daddy last. Seeing how you hate men. I'm guessing if you rub those sore hands up and down your fine-ass body for a long time.
Well, I guess I really should speak with the heir apparent. Seems that Jax has a better grasp on the big picture. I mean, I know that he was working with him to get to Zabel before you did something stupid. Like attack a Christian family dinner.
You talk to whatever the hell you want to. You can get nothing but the same truth.
You sure about that? He all tells me that things have been a little tense between you and your stepson. You know, since Jax figured out that you killed Donna.
Let's go, Teller.
Hey,
Tried calling, no one answered.
a little short-handed. What's going on?
Or do you think we can keep charming the way it is, Jim?
I don't know.
Everything caves under the weight of greed. Seen it my whole life. Nothing stays simple.
Yeah. Guess that's true.
Called Rosen. Posted bail a few hours ago.
God.
Promised to keep him out of trouble until after the trial.
I'll chain him to the auto list if I have to.
Okay.
So that's the end of this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all guys next time. Goodbye.